What's going on, guys? I just wanted to talk about some of the apps that I keep on my phone. The first page is pretty standard, the main apps, the mail, photos, camera, calendar, the stuff that I use on a day to day to keep me, pretty much keep me in the loop. Keep in mind, this isn't my main device, so you can tell I don't really customize it as much. Everything looks pretty new. Here we have pretty much throwaway apps. Sorry about that. Um, Throwaway apps. My podcast I do use in my calculator. The rest of these I was mainly testing out. Those were some of the first apps I downloaded to play around. Mario I do play a lot of the time. The extras folder hasn't been touched. As you can see, everything is kind of the same as if it was brand new out of the box. I didn't spend a lot of time moving stuff around on this device. And then next, we're going to move on to my third screen. That's my productivity side. The apps that I tend to use here are PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. Everything else I was just kind of testing out. Enlight is a pretty cool photo editing app that I was having a lot of fun with. Oh, sorry, hold on. Yeah, Enlight is a pretty cool app. The rest of these I was just pretty much testing out. So if there's any other apps you think I should have, feel free, leave a comment. Thank you.